In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we could not verify your country on YouTube Premium. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes what we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix first. So if you're running any VPNs in the background or proxies, go ahead and disable it. So I'm using a VPN as an extension, so I'm just going to go ahead and disable the VPN and then go ahead and retry. So basically what happens here, YouTube checks your IP address, and if it doesn't match your actual country, the verification will fail. So yeah, disconnect any VPNs, close your browser, and then reopen YouTube and try it again. Now, next fix is to check your Google Payments profile country. So to do this, we want to go to payments.google.com, and then we need to click inside of settings once it opens up. So I'm on this help article, so yeah, go ahead and click on the settings once you're inside of payments.google.com. Now just check the country and region and make sure it just matches your real location. If it doesn't, or if it's wrong, you may need to create a new payments profile or contact Google support to say that you'd like to change it. Now sometimes it's just a session error, so to do this we want to go ahead and clear the browser cache. So I'm using Google Chrome, so click on the three dots, click into settings, then from here under privacy and security we want to go ahead and click on delete browsing data. Then from here we need to change this from last hour to all time, and then click on to show more. Now make sure we've got cookies and other site data checked and cache images and files checked, and go ahead and delete data. Another fix we can try is use the YouTube app instead. So try subscribing directly inside the official YouTube app on your phone instead of desktop. Sometimes mobile billing works when browser checkout fails. Now last fix is to go ahead and just simply wait it out. So wait 24 to 48 hours. Basically, if you've recently changed countries or recently used a VPN or recently updated payment info, Google systems may need time to refresh and update those changes.